Fresher produce, lower prices, Vons and Pavilions. It's just better.
Kiss 102.7 Kiss FM.
I was excited about getting another extra day for leap year. Can't we just leap to another Friday? Your top reasons to visit Manejando.
Leap year $29,000 leap year party. Monday, February 29th.
Number 2.
Spend that extra day relaxing at Sage Spa. Call 877-SPA-SAGE for specials.
And the number 1 reason to go to Morongo Casino Resort and Spa this week.
Mercedes GLC 300 this Sunday.
Morongo, good time.
Experience the film that critics are calling one of the most inspiring movies in a generation. Eddie the Eagle.
You got more heart than any of those others. This is your moment.
Hugh Jackman, Taron Egerton, Eddie the Eagle. Rated PG-13. Tomorrow.
Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, chocolate cake, chocolate chip cookies. The list goes on and on. Nothing goes better with